Now, as much as you might think of yourself as a unique individual, there are plenty of instances where we all go out of our way to copy other people.
To show you what we mean, we're going to play a game with you.
I'm going to ask you a few simple questions to gauge how much other people's opinions influence your buying habits. Ready?
Imagine it's lunchtime and you're at the mall. You decide to head over to the food court to grab a quick bite.
There are two restaurants. Both serve chicken sandwiches and burgers. One has 7 people in line and the other is completely deserted.
Would you A, get in line and wait behind the other people, or B, take advantage of the stand with no line?
Okay, here's another one. You're at the airport and you decide at the last minute to buy a new book to read on the plane.
You don't have a lot of time to shop. Do you A, head straight for the bestsellers list, or B, browse the shelves for something that catches your eye?
Last question. You're shopping for something online when you find 2 versions of the product you want. Both cost about the same and appear to be very similar except for one thing. One has 20 reviews, mostly favorable, with a few negative, while the other has no reviews at all.
Do you buy A, the product with the reviews, or B, take a chance on the one with no reviews? Did you pick A or B for most of these? You might have figured out that if you picked A, you chose to follow the crowd, and if you picked B, you chose to go your own way. So you're probably thinking that most people would like to be unique and answered B. Well, think again. In fact, if you're like 80% of the people we surveyed, you chose A. Of course, you don't know any of these people you followed. So why would you value a complete stranger's opinion?
It's because your brain is hardwired to do so. There's safety in numbers, and whether it's thousands of years ago or today, your brain would rather go where other people are going rather than take the chance of going it alone. Your brain's decision-making center, the prefrontal cortex, has a direct line to the nucleus accumbens, an area responsible for positive rewards and social learning. Simply seeing someone else's choice activates that reward system and reinforces the decision to follow their lead.
But following along with the crowd doesn't always ensure that you'll make the best choice. Sometimes just following along can lead you astray. And when it comes to leading or misleading your brain,